buli sector erina agibeerako, because I'm thinking if it's one person ayinza okwerabira okufa ku bimu.
Each garden has a caretaker. Each unit.
Kati that one erina waayo.
Yes.
N'eri waayo.
Yes. No. Even the fish, everything.
Kati bali abayimiridde eri ku fish ogwabwe gwa fish weeri ku bidiba.
Kati oyo omwami omulabe gwe mbadde mwogera
is
the caretaker for fish.
Even nezeeno mu kiyumba. Oh. Okay. Kale. I wanted to show you. It's okay. See cabbages, and see pomegranates, See that? The monkeys are enjoying these pomegranates like crazy. Now see cabbage. They are weeding. You know it's a rainy season, so when it's a rainy season, weeds grow like they are hired. And they are being paid excessive. Oh, that is, this is, so on the side is cabbage. Then here is broccoli. There you go. So that's broccoli. Seen that? Crops of broccoli. See that? Good. Woo! This cabbage looks nice. Eri waliyo broccoli.
Oh yes, that is.
Yeah. I was going to miss it. And it's looking lovely.
This is the